Hi, I'm Dr. Kelly Starrett with H-Wave. As a physical therapist, we have been trained in helping people to manage painful conditions. This is one of the essential tenets of helping people through pain, chronic pain, persistent pain, even acute pain. One of the questions that we get asked all the time is, what's the difference between TENS and H-Wave? I mean, can I get a TENS anywhere, like at the drugstore? And the answer is yes. And TENS works on a completely different system. It's very superficial and very nervous system based. And what you can think of is, if, hey, I have TENS, I need to turn this pain signal down now. And when we stop the TENS, what ends up happening is that we stop any of the relief that was associated with it. So you might, if you've ever sort of banged yourself or shaken a hand, right, or rubbed something after some insult, what's happening there is you're getting some interference through movement or sensation of how the brain is reading a pain or interpreting what's happening at that local tissue system. So this is called the pain gate model, which means that basically, hey, I've got some discomfort, and now I'm interrupting that discomfort by making sort of a signal that overrides my body's ability to interfere or interpret, more appropriately, what's going on with that system. And again, that can be really useful in the moment. H-Wave, on the other hand, is a completely different system, and it works on two different ways. One is that we can actually fatigue out some of those neuromechanical features, and what ends up happening then is that we get this rebound of pain relief, so that one of the things that is meaningful to us is that not only can I have on-demand pain relief in the moment, but I might get many hours of pain relief afterwards. Again, not superficial, working on a much deeper sort of neurologic system. The other thing that happens is that the H-Wave allows us to work on the muscle system. It's working on smooth muscle and muscle contraction. So we get a lot of movement in the tissues, which decongest the tissues and signals to the brain that it's safe to begin loading or safe to move. We might think about sort of those differences instead of saying, hey, let's turn down the healing. This H-Wave is a better feature or a better system of saying, hey, let's improve the environment so we can facilitate healing. So instead of just cutting the cord on temporarily on some discomfort, we're going to actually improve what's happening with the body so that we can do this healing response or maximize our own healing response. So don't confuse the two. One might be, it's less expensive, it's easy to deploy, but it's certainly like a Band-Aid in terms of pain, while the H-Wave can give us on-demand pain relief and can meaningfully decongest tissues and restore my body's ability to perceive movement as safe.